Hello friends. Today I'm going to show you how to make a badge. This will help you to make your own volunteer badges for your sports day, etc. Now I'm going to show you a very simple one. For this, what you need is a ribbon, satin ribbon. You need a thread and needle and scissors and Fevicol. We have four items. You need to cut a circle first. You need a satin ribbon. You need needle and thread, and you need Fevicol. Thank you. When you have all these things ready, you will first take a measurement for the ribbon. Maybe you have a medium sized study table. You can take that measurement and cut the ribbon. Next, what you need is a circle, and on this circle, you will be forming the pleats. For that, you will take your ribbon and you're going to take the needle and thread. How do you keep the needle and thread ready? And then you start, cut a small tag and stick it behind the ribbon. I'm using fabric glue here, just a dot. Whenever you use fabric glue or you use mainly fabric glue, you have to wait for um, 10 seconds before you can press it down to stick whatever you are sticking. Now apply the glue and then press it down after 10 seconds. Otherwise it will not stick. And then you have this portion in front where you're going to do your batch. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to hold it like this in your hand, and your fold will be like this. So, first one, you take the first fold, place it like that, and then take the next one and place it like that. Before that, you hold it like this, and apply fabric glue. You don't need too much of fabric glue, but then you have to press it after you wait for some time and not stick otherwise. Then move on to the next one. Apply the glue. The weather sometimes makes the glue very hard. And here you have stick the glue and then do the next one like this. Hold it down and press. Same thing. You continue with this method till you come down till the end. Now, friends, as you keep moving the ribbon, you will fold it at equal length and use the fabric glue to hold and stick it. If you are finding it difficult to hold the ribbon to stick it, put cloth clips if you need, or you put those pretty um, craft things that you get. To hold it down, you can select and hold it. If you're finding it very difficult to hold, if you have these craft um, things, you can select craft or you can take your regular what you have at home, you can use that to hold it tight. Now this completes your batch, and to this you're going to put in one more circle. Thank you. Add you As it dries, and then you can add another circle in front and stick it and let it dry for a day. Thank you.